saving on external hard drive or on a hard drive or external disk, probably flash or disk. So the process, you follow the save process, Microsoft button, you come to save as, you go to save, that is Word document, you click Word document. Now you come to scroll, you will see removable disk, you just click removable disk. Now you could choose a folder in there. Now you choose, let's use camp program. Now let's save. Come to file name, you say project, that is a project work, project work. Two. Now you say, you click save, that's done, your work is saved. Now you can eject your flash drive, but first you have to close the programs. You double click, you say eject flash drive, save to remove. You can now remove.